everyone, welcome to Lego Star. Today I have made a Lego mini safe. So this is the second Lego mini safe I have made, and I'm going to show you how to open it. So let's begin. This is the front of the safe, and I'll show you all around it. So there's lots of yellow bricks and some darker yellow bricks over here. And this looks like the little opening that we need. So it seems like we need something to put in this hole. So the first step, what you need to do is you need to take off these little tiles, and then there's a plate inside. And what you do is you just tip open the plate, and that uncovers a Technic pin. And next, what you do is, I'll put it here, and you put the Technic pin inside of the brick, and then you try to pull it out, but it doesn't work because there's still one more step. So if you look on this side, the dark yellow is actually covering this secret tile here, which you need to push out and get from the other side here. So that's it. And now when you pull it open, it works. Inside of the little compartment there is a piece of money. So I'll just remove this so you can see a bit more clearly. And there we go. We solved and opened the safe. So to put it back together, I'll put this Technic brick back on. You take out the Technic pin from over here. So just do that. And then I'll put the tiles back on. And the money piece has to be stuck on here. And then what you do is you take the Technic pin and you put it in this piece inside here first. And then once that's done, you put the Technic pin in with the little plate on top and the two tiles. And then we need to put the last one inside this hole. Without it, the little container will fall out. And then that's how you solve the safe. So if you liked today's video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!